Hi, it's Frank from Backpacking the Pacific Northwest, and this time we're up in the Mount Rainier National Park. We're at the Westside Rd trailhead, which is at Dry Creek, and we're going to head up to Lake George tonight and mess around up there. I was hoping for Clapatchie, but Clapatchie was full for the night, so my alternative is Lake George, and it's okay, I'll find some things to do. Tomorrow night I'm going to have to go outside the park and stay at Goat Lake. Lake George is full tomorrow night, and that's the only camp left on the west side. So we'll see you down the trail. This is the first view that I have of Mount Rainier. And this is looking down the Tahoma River. And this is why they've had so much trouble in this area, is the river keeps changing its course and going into different beds, taking out the road. And finally, the Park Service just got tired of fixing everything. So they abandoned the road. And it's pretty much a service road for a short distance. And up ahead, it turns into more of a trail. And I don't know if you can hear or not, but you can hear the boulders rolling in the creek. It's pretty crazy. Okay, I'm on the PUYALLUP River Trail, heading up towards Emerald Ridge, and we have a trail slip up. So there's an alternate trail right up and around there, and it comes back up there. This is a panorama of Lake George. Almost dark. Hey, good morning. It is Saturday, and I'm up on Gobblers Knob. I'm up at the lookout. Got up at 6:30 this morning and made my way up here. It is occupied right now. There's people sleeping in there, so I can't really walk the catwalk yet. It's a little too early, but the views are incredible up here. I'm gonna have some breakfast and I'm going to spend a little time lollygagging before I head down and pack up my camp. So it's about 1.6 miles. Right around in that range above Lake George, and it's very cool up here. Check this out. That's the view that I'm going to have while I eat my breakfast. And the only bad part is the flies are horrendous up here. They're horrendous everywhere. So, anyway, check back in with you later. So, this is the Westside Rd. I thought it was going to be more of a overgrown trail or an overgrown road, but it's still kept up as a service road. So this is what you can expect if you come up Westside Rd.